the simple past tense or the present perfect tense.
What is the difference? How do we know which tense to use?
Words such as yesterday and last week tell us that the time period is finished.
When a time period is finished, we use the simple past tense.
I went to London last week. Last week is finished time.
My son has gone to London. He is in London now, so the time is not finished.
I have been to London 5 times in my life, and my life is not finished yet.
I went to New York 10 years ago. We use the simple past tense with ago.
They haven't built this road yet. We use the perfect tense with yet.
He built a house last year. He has not built this one yet.
She has taught in this school for nearly 10 years. She still works there.
She has taught outside twice this week. She also taught outside twice last week.
She has bought a lot today, and she also bought a lot last week.
So, we use the simple past tense with finished time. We use the present perfect form with unfinished time.
It was dark 2 hours ago. It has been light for an hour.
He had problems before she came, but he has not had any problems since she came.
She's had a headache for 3 hours. She still has a headache.
The wind has blown every day this week. I hope it stops soon.
If the time period is finished, use the simple past tense.
And if the time period is not finished, use the present perfect tense.